This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics: the updated game, necessary story progress, and free home capacity. Once done, open the portal to the hub and check for Maui-specific triggers. Make sure you have completed the prerequisite friendship or story quest that unlocks visiting him. This is often tied to progression thresholds. Next, travel to the island or area where Maui appears and interact with NPCs to activate his introduction. These first actions unlock his presence, so act now, methodically and deliberately. You now move into the core sequence. Accept Maui's quest and follow objectives exactly as listed. As you progress, give him preferred gifts to speed affinity. This matters because higher friendship can unlock unique interactions and housing options. Once you finish each required task, watch for cutscenes that mark progression. These often gate the next step. If a trigger doesn't fire, wait an in-game day, log out, and re-enter. This simple cycle fixes many intermediate state issues and keeps momentum. Finish by completing Maui's last tasks and all required dialogues. This finalizes his availability and grants any related rewards. Once unlocked, place him in your home or invite him into your party where the game allows. This makes his interactions repeatable. If you encounter issues, try relogging, checking for updates, and loading an earlier save. These steps often clear broken quest states. If still stuck, wait an in-game day and retry triggers. Persistence plus correct sequencing will complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.